from the garage video. The water heaters do not have dielectric unions. They don't have dielectric unions. They have an expansion tank. One of the second water heater, number 2. Its fluid wasn't properly supported in the attic. Number 2 is more than 5 bends. TMPs are not properly insulated, more than 5 bends on the temperature pressure relief valve drain line, which are properly terminated. Gas lines do not have sediment traps. Dip tubes, they have electronic ignition. They're about 15 years old. Water heaters last about 10. Neither one of them has a safety pin and drain line. Here's the care and use manual. Got a little bit of rust around the draft hoods. Of course, they're 15 years old. These water heaters, you might get some more use out of them. You could. You can get some more use out of them. But if it leaks day after closing, I wouldn't be surprised. Everything these water heaters give you is a gift. They've already exceeded the expectations. Reasonable expectations. They've already exceeded that. So.